Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video we're doing tortitas and chile verde. It's basically chicken with green salsa. And if you guys want to keep learning, keep watching the video. For the ingredients, we're gonna need knorr, pollo, chicken flavor, 3 eggs room temperature, and you're also gonna need a garlic clove and a piece of onion, a really small one. You're also going to need your breast fillet, obviously your chicken, your 14 tomatillos and 4 pepper serrano. If your chicken is frozen, unfreeze it for about 2 hours before you put it to boil, and also put an onion in there when you put your chicken to boil. And for your salsa, I put 14 tomatillos, 4 Chile Serranos, but if you don't like spicy, do not put 4, put 3 or 2. You're also gonna put the garlic clove in there to boil with the tomatillos and the chile, and after that you're gonna add once you add all your tomatillos, you're gonna add the piece of onion, and you're also gonna put 1 tablespoon or about a tablespoon of chicken flavor knorr, and obviously after that you're gonna blend it, and you're gonna also add a little bit of the water that you boil the tomatillos, so that it could blend more and it could be more juicy. And in my case, that's what I did. I blended it. I put water and I blended it afterwards, and I put a lot for mine because I want it to be more juicy. And yeah, I was just blending. After letting my chicken boil for about 2 hours or an hour and a half, I put it in a container, let it sit for about like 20 minutes so it could cool down. I put everything in there, and after the 20 minutes, I started to, put it into little pieces. I don't know how to say it. It's called, in Spanish it's called desmenuzar el pollo. I don't know how to say it in English. But yeah, that's what I did. I started doing that to all of the chicken breast. After you're done, this is how your chicken's supposed to look like. And let's go to the next step. For your next step, you're gonna get your 3 eggs, and you're gonna only put the egg white, there you go, and you're gonna blend it. You're gonna grab your I don't know how to say it, and you're gonna like make it puffy, only the egg whites, and obviously you're gonna add only I added 2 egg yolks, and I also added another egg white, so in total it was 4 egg whites, because it was not going like more puffy, so I added another egg white. But do remember that if you're trying to make this thing, the little spongy white, you have to have your eggs room temperature, because if they're cold, your puffiness is not gonna go like it's not gonna be super puffy. So you have to have your egg whites room temperature. So yeah, I just did that, and that's how it looked. And then I dumped the chicken in the container with the puffiness. I don't know what it's called, I'm so sorry. And I just mixed it all together so I could start making the tortitas. And obviously you're gonna grab your pan, and you're gonna start frying them. Once they're turning brown, like how they are in this side, both of the sides have to be like that, so make sure they're brownish, both of the sides. And once they're like fully cooked like that, you could put it in a separate container. And yeah, just keep doing the same thing, and do make sure, like I said before, to have your eggs room temperature. And so basically you just want to add 4 eggs. Sorry, I added at the last minute the other egg, But yeah, just do that and make sure it's puffy with the egg whites. So 4 egg whites and 2 egg yolks. And once it's puffy enough, you're gonna add your chicken in there. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments and I'll be more than glad to answer them. Again, for this step, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll be answering to your questions. After you're done frying them, you grab your other pan. You're gonna let it heat up. Once it heats up, you're gonna add a little bit of oil, like you see. Add a little bit of oil and you're gonna add your sauce. And then you're gonna let it sit like for 10 minutes and then you're gonna add your tortitas, the chicken, what are they, chicken, I don't know what they're called for in English. Your tortitas, chicken tortitas. You're gonna add them all and you're gonna let them boil for about like 20 minutes. And once that's done, your food is all ready. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. And also taste the salsa if it needs more salt. But this is how they should look. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Bye.